Good morning from the Contemporary. This is our second to last day, I guess. We had a good night's sleep. It was so nice watching the fireworks from the room last night. I just feel so blessed. I feel like I am just living the dream here. It's crazy. We have got, believe it or not, I've been up since like 5, but I just can't for the life of me get out of the hotel room on time. So we are definitely gonna miss rope drop, but it's alright. It's gonna be a rainy day, so today's gonna be like just a crazy day. It's something we're not used to. I gotta go downstairs because we decided to stay another day here, so I've got to go back to the lobby and square that away. But that's it. This is my little Rapunzel today. Are you excited? What are you gonna do today? What are we gonna do? We're gonna do some rides, right? Whatever mommy can get. Genie Plus was like 27, I think, today. Here we go. So kind of annoying. We just wasted more time. So I had to go to the front desk, you know, so I could extend our stay. Well, we already extended it. I just had to like process the formalities or whatever of checking in again. And the lady's telling me that I don't have any remaining quick service or snacks left from yesterday. I'm like, no, we only used one. I paid everything else with the room, like sent everything to the room charge, so I should have had one quick service meal left and one snack. Well, it was showing 0, and she was all confused, and she was like getting annoyed or whatever, just whatever. This lady, I think, just didn't know what was happening. So at the end of the day, surprise, it was moved over, so now I have 3 for today. But yeah, it just wasted more time. Kind of annoying, but whatever. It is what it is. Like we do the same like routine every time. So we just finished aerial ride. It is well after 9, I think. So we're gonna head over to Storybook Circus, do Dumbo ride and Barnstormer, and maybe go see Minnie and Daisy, because I don't think we've seen them over here at Storybook Circus. So we should try to do that. And then I think we have a lightning lane for Winnie the Pooh at 9:20. So we should be able to get all that done. It is 9:47. We just finished with Winnie the Pooh, and I feel like I should have waited to do that because Peter Pan, believe it or not, was only 25 minutes. But I did a lightning lane, and then now we came over here and it went up 10 minutes. But 35 minutes for Peter Pan, still not bad at this time. about 50. That was hard, but actually Lucia did great. I'm just shocked. I'm like, wow, she had a couple moments, but for the most part, she did great in that line, because I would have never made that line had I known it was going to be that long. So anyway, we're gonna run to the bathroom and then head on over to meet Tiana. I'm thinking Rapunzel should be there. I think she's the one that's normally there with her. And then we'll probably go get some lunch. Yeah, we're gonna meet Tiana. She's gonna come and give her a hug.
Thank you. Come on in. I see you have a picture there. No, just everyone's face. I don't think it has your face on it, but does it? Maybe we can leave Mom right here, right here. That way you can join in on the fun too.
So you have two very beautiful ones.
Especially in that beautiful purple dress.
Who's your favorite?
I think you'll shine just like the evening star. Would you like to stand up nice and tall?
Want to take a picture?
Right up this way. Would you like a hug before you go?
Aww.
No, okay. Oh my goodness! I love that we have matching dresses on today. You know, I think we'll have to convince my friend Pascal to match with us too sometime. You know, I made him a dress just like mine too. It's true, I think he looks really cute in it. And whenever he wears it, sometimes he'll change into pink or purple to match it. He's not the biggest fan of the dress, but I think if he knew that you had a dress just like ours, I think it would persuade him to want to match with us sometime. You think so? Maybe we'll have to get him some cute bows to wear on his head too. You think so? Stand next to me, sunshine. Could you stand up? And maybe we could smile together for a portrait? So I can show Pascal your dress.
I'm just not for it.
Lucia, look at Mama. Lucia.
Amazing. Can I give you a big hug? Oh. That was the best hug ever. There we go. Wonderful. Thank you. Can I give you one more hug? I'm so glad you left your tower today.
Alright, it is 11:15. We just finished meeting Tiana and Rapunzel. That was so sweet. She gave both of them a hug and just so nice. I love the character interactions. It's starting to sprinkle, so we are gonna head out, go get lunch over at the Grand Floridian, and then we'll come back. I have Enchanted Tales with Belle scheduled for 2, so that should give us enough time to sit down and eat, get over there, and then come back. Oh boy. I thought they were like closing this for the parade, so I was trying to like move and like no one was moving out of the way. I don't know, maybe I was in the wrong. Oh gosh. It's weird. We're both having like crazy hair days. It's actually like the perfect temperature. It's not too hot. It is like I think about 80 today, but it's the humidity that's killer. And I somehow lost my ponytail holder this morning. And my little hair claw clip is at the hotel, so I'm just having gonna have crazy hair day until we get back to the hotel later. Alright, we are going to go get our hair cut here at the Harmony Barbershop. We had actually her first haircut here.
Oh yes.
Any special plans today?
Well, we were we're gonna go, well, we're still going, but we're gonna go eat lunch at the Grand Floridian. So I thought I'd stop here to see if I could get an appointment. He's like, you're going right now. I'm like, okay, perfect.
You have to look at yourself.
Because I've been trying to get, the last 2 trips, I've been trying to get her hair trimmed, and I can never get in here, so.
I labeled her name.
Thank you, yes.
Close your eyes. Wow, princess hair. Let's see. Say thank you. Alright, so we had a great experience here at the Harmony Barbershop. We actually had her first haircut there when she was a baby. I think I have some of that video. It's from like our trip in 2022, I guess it would be. Yeah, so I've been trying to get an appointment. I can't get an appointment, so I just went and walked in, and they were able to take her right away. So, and it's cute. They give the pixie dust and everything. So now we are headed out. So if this is the first time you're catching my channel, welcome. And I would love for you to stick around and subscribe if you're not already. And we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.